Good day students. Today we discussed exercise 3E. In this exercise we will use the long division method to find the square roots of the given numbers. So firstly we group the digits in pairs starting from units place. In division we start grouping the digits from left hand side. So after that we will take the largest number whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. These are periods. This is first period and these two digits make the second period. So think of the largest numbers whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. Take this number as the divisor and also as the quotient. So 1 into 1 gives 1. 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4. Square of 3 is 9. So we can't take 1, we can't take 9. It means we will take 4. So 2 twos are 4 gives 5 minus 4 gives 1. So here we will add both these 2's. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. After that we will subtract these numbers and we will take the numbers of next period, that is 76. Now the next divisor is obtained by adding 2 times the first divisor and multiplying it with the suitable next digit, which will give us 0 as remainder. And after that we will get a quotient. Here we have 24. So 24 multiplied 2 times will give us 576. In second part we have 1444. So square of 3 gives us 9. We will subtract the given numbers and we will get 5. After that we will take the numbers of second period, that is 44. Now 3 plus 3 becomes 6. Now we will multiply this number with the square of any number such that it will give us 0 as remainder. So when we multiply 68 by 8, it will give us 0 as remainder and our quotient is 38. It means 38 multiplied 2 times will give us this number. Next is 11,449. In this we have 3 periods. 1 ones are 1. After that 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Now here we have 14 in the second period. So we can't subtract 20 from 14. So it means we will take 0 here. So after subtracting these numbers we get 14 minus 0 gives 0, and with that we will take the numbers of last period. So now when we multiply 220 is taken as it is, 2 is written as it is, 0 plus 0 gives 0, and when we multiply 7 by 207 it will give us 0 as remainder. So 107 is the quotient and 11,449 is the square of 107. In ninth part we have 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2 here. Now we can't subtract 20 from 4. So here we will multiply it with 0. Now we have this 4 as remainder and we will take the next digits of this period, 404. Now when we 2 and 0 is written as it is, when we multiply 2 by 2 we will get 200. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 404. It means 102 multiplied 2 times will give us this number, 10,404. In the same way using the same steps you may find the square of any number.